Hi guys, it's Miss Sam from Only. Today we're going to be doing some subtraction using our friend Bird. And he's going to eat some tasty worms. So let's count how many worms I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 worms. So, all right, 12. Let's see what happens if I feed Bird 3 worms. 1, 2, 3. Now let's see how many worms we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 worms left. Oh, there we go. There's the other 2. So we have 12 minus 3 equals 9. Very good. All right, so now we have 9 worms. We have 9 worms left, but Bird is still hungry. So let's feed him. How about we feed him 1, 2, 3, 4 worms. So we had 9 worms. We're going to feed him 4 worms. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's see how many worms do we have left. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 worms left. So we had 9, and we fed 4 to Bird. Now we have 5 worms left. Bird, you're still hungry? Let's see. We have how many worms? We had 5 worms left. Okay. Let's see. What happens if we feed Bird 2 worms? 1, 2. We fed Bird 2 worms. Okay, let's see. How many worms do we have left? We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 wiggly worms. So we have 5, and we fed Bird 2. So now we have 3 worms left. But Bird is still hungry. So let's see, we have 3 worms. And let's feed him 2 more. Let's see how many. Maybe he just needs a little more. All right, so let's feed him 2 worms. 1, 2. And now how many worms do we have left? We just have 1 worm. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. Bird, are you still hungry? Okay, so let's give him, let's see how many worms we have left. All right, we have one worm left, and we give him our last worm. Let's see. How many worms do we have left? That's right. If we had one worm and we fed it to Bird, now we have no worms left. You guys can do this activity at home if you want to. You can cut up some paper worms or have Mommy and Daddy help you. You can make a bird, and I just attached him to a jar. And you can practice your subtraction as well. All right, we'll see you guys later.